The law of attraction is all about using your thoughts, emotions, and energy to attract whatever you focus on into your life. By learning how to properly utilize the law of attraction, you can radically transform your financial situation. In this video you're going to learn 5 easy yet powerful tips for leveraging the law of attraction to manifest more money in abundance in your life. So here is the techniques for manifesting more money. Number 1. Be specific about the amount you want to manifest. Get crystal clear on the exact dollar amount you're looking to attract. The universe can't deliver what you don't ask for specifically. Number 2. Ramp up your gratitude. Spend time each day consciously feeling grateful for any money you already have. This raises your vibration and primes you to attract more. Number 3. Visualize often. Sit quietly and vividly imagine having the money you desire. Picture yourself spending it and how good it feels. This impresses on your subconscious mind. Number 4. Repeat money affirmations. Say aloud affirmations like, "I am attracting large amounts of money into my life now," to shift your limiting beliefs. Number 5. Take aligned action. Ask for raises, invest wisely, and look for new income streams. This shows the universe you're ready to receive. These are just a few tips for using the law of attraction to manifest money. Take action on the techniques I shared and be consistent with them and you will see results. If you want to go even deeper into attracting money with the law of attraction, click the link in the description below and grab my free guide. It has powerful processes for reprogramming your mind and energy to attract money like a magnet. If you found this video helpful, then please subscribe to my channel for more life-transforming content. Also, feel free to leave a comment below and let me know what you want me to cover in the next video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.